Larangin pa ikani ka wa bakani ka jaka bun giban ong bakade sipo ari pareng. Dai kani ka jaka kadai ka bana po Riboy district bakade hapo ka snong tham. Ya ka bakadon ka wa hakaba ki brio kila ban penerkam. Ya ka jeng lakai sport lamba kiliang ki barit ya ka biki ong kata ka water sports. Bat mentaka sngi ka hinyo tarik unatong arajar pulai ia ka snong tham la tiap no kom kata ka white water village. Tani kata ka snong ka batan ki wa ki ba phum pagkadon ki wa ru bat ki ki ba sngur ka ba ki briu ki la ban pelong ye ki ja jing la kai ka ban khring bha ye ki tourist la ni ki nong sangkai pathai na kaleng ki jaka. Ikani ka ja jing la kai sports ni ka ko la kai hakini ka wa la snang de ki trashnon de ka snong tham lamba ka wai ka society. Dai manta na kalang de ka sarkar ka shimti mar ka shan pisa ye ka ni ka jing trish tom de ka ni ki trashnon. Rengkat kajian trailang bat kibri ke bat tibah kani kar kom yele kai kamtam kibri ke manasyabar na kalang jiki trashna lanak penhe na penbah susu hakaba benta kalayo ikajing itu na kalang joko sarkar bat komjuru menteri rang bak kajala konrak sangma ulah hias ketika senang ban pensedang ya kani kajing yele kai sport nang ba jong kani ke cooperative society jiki trashna. Akan ka sngi na kalang jong umutri rang ba oleh kendu ye kisamla jong ka snong menyapli jumut bat ki ba kumjuru na kalang jong to ki betri lang kil ai ka jengkan ke klabatai bhai kar ko mila kai hakan di kar ko mila kai sports.
The cream of extreme kayaking have come here to Meghalaya, and of course they've not come just to kayak here. So the other rivers in Meghalaya are what draws them to the Kinshi and Bakri, Piva, and rivers like that. That's what draws them to Meghalaya. These extreme waterfalls and excitement. It's a very challenging whitewater in Meghalaya.
We are here to launch the kayaking program from the government side, and you can see behind me here we have a very natural flow of the river, which is something that is very unique and one of a kind, in fact, in the entire country, and maybe in one of the few in the whole world. Hence the potential to really promote this in terms of sports and also in terms of tourism is really high, and this of course has been initiated by many individuals in the past many years, but there has not been any support from the government in the past many years. But recently the government has started to recognize the work that they have done, and we are now really supporting them financially to ensure that we can take this to the new level, where not just it becomes a sport for adventure sports, but it also is a sports that has got a potential for us to get medals in the national as well as at the international level. And apart from that also, this could be an area of very high-end tourism, where people could actually experience the flow of the river and really experience the rafting and the kayaking that is possible in this kind of streams. So that's really what we are here for, and I really thank all the people who have taken the initiative, and I wish this program great success.